I am Dr. Binu in IoT subject. The third module in the fifth unit is Smart Health. The healthcare monitoring system has emerged in one of the most vital systems and became technology oriented from past decade. Humans are facing a problem of unexpected death due to various illness, which is because of lack of medical care to the patients at right time. The primary goal was to develop a reliable patient monitoring system using IoT so that the healthcare professionals can monitor their patients who are either hospitalized or at home using an IoT based integrated healthcare system with a view of ensuring patients are cared better. A mobile device based wireless healthcare monitoring system was developed which can provide real time online information about physiological conditions of a patient, mainly consist of sensors, data acquisition unit, microcontroller, and programmed with a software. The patient's parameters like temperature, heartbeat rate, ECG are monitored, displayed, and stored by a system and send the data to the doctor's mobile containing the applications. IoT based monitoring system effectively monitor patients' health status and save life on time. Increased usage of mobile technologies and smart devices in the area of health has caused great impact on the world. Health experts are increasingly taking advantage of the benefits of these technologies and generating a significant improvement in healthcare in clinical settings. According to constitutions of WHO, the highest attainable standard of health is a fundamental right for an individual. The signal conditioning unit, this is a sensor, is a cost-effective board used to measure the electrical activity of the heart. This electrical activity can be charted as an ECG or electrocardiogram and output as an analog reading. ECG can be extremely noisy. The AD8232 single-LED heart rate monitor acts as an op-amp to help obtain a clear signal from PR and QR intervals easily. The sensor pad locations to board input is represented in the figure. The block diagram used for the sensors connected to the PC is represented in this figure. The various sensors like heartbeat sensor, temperature sensor, ECG, everything is given to the microcontroller after amplification. The PC is connected with the controller using RS-232. The output parameters are represented in LCD. This diagram represents the block diagram health monitoring system. The various parameters are connected to the PC by means of wireless module or as well as mobile phones. The Arduino Uno is used as a processor. The supply is given by means of transformer. The rectifier converts AC to DC. The regulator provides the constant DC. This regulated voltage is given to the LCD display. The operating mechanism. The first step is heartbeat sensor is fixed to the patient's finger. It contains a IR sensor. Every pumping we get a pulse from that sensor. The sensor output is given to the Arduino via signal conditioning unit for amplification. Second step is NTC type thermistor is used as a temperature sensor. This temperature sensor output varies based on temperature, which is also given to the Arduino. The third step is ECG sensor is a cost-effective board used to measure the electrical activity of the heart. This electrical activity can be charted as an ECG. It is a noisy one. Here, AD8232 single lead heart rate monitor acts as op-amp to obtain a clear signal. The fourth step is all the values are transferred to the PC via serial communication cable RS-232, which is transferred to the mobile app created. The output is displayed in the form of string in particular interval of time. The application is very simple as it displays analog values followed by a statement describing the current value displayed. The output displayed in the mobile application device is represented in the figure. Testing and finding healthcare unit. The patient healthcare monitoring system developed is tested using various persons with normal to abnormal health conditions. The various tests and findings producing results with minimal error rate and observation are listed below. In the temperature finding, the minimal error is plus or minus 5. The next one is environmental monitoring and surveillance. IoT environmental monitoring is a process that uses IoT technology to collect data about the environment such as air quality, temperature, and humidity level. IoT connectivity plays a crucial role in environmental monitoring by enabling the collection and transmission of real-time data from various sensors and devices. IoT environmental monitoring relies on individual devices and IoT ecosystem. IoT network, IoT monitoring tools and applications, IoT device monitoring and IoT device management system, remote monitoring equipments and analysis. There are 4 critical components for IoT based environmental monitoring to support vital insights and decision making. The first one is observation, which is used to monitor the environment and collect data. Second one is analysis. In this phase, we are measuring the data. The third one is storage, which is we are categorizing the data based on the different parameters. The fourth one is action. We can provide the actionable insights from the data and analysis. There are varieties of benefits associated with an IoT based environmental system. The first one is improved understanding of the environment through the data, improved efficiency, increased sustainability, business growth, etc.